your home. My method is the result of 6 years' work here at the Institute, in which subjects were exposed to simulated embarrassment predicaments over a prolonged period of time. Sorry. Lesson 1, words. Do any of these words embarrass you?
Megaphone. Gruntings.
Now let's go on to something ruder. Now lesson 2. Listen so on.
Wankle rotary engine.
Now lesson 2, noises. Noises are a major embarrassment source. Even words like tits, winkle, and vibraphone cannot rival the embarrassment potential of sound. Listen to this, if you can. How do you rate your embarrassment response? A, hi. B, hello. C, good evening. If C, you are loosening up and will soon be ready for this. Well, how did you rate? A, embarrassed. B, hello. C, good evening. Now lesson 3, in which these rude and dirty sounds are combined with smutty visual suggestions into an embarrassment simulation situation. You are the waiter at this table.
I've going to show you.
Score 5 for no embarrassment, score 3 for slight embarrassment, and 1 for good evening.
Alan Hutchison reads another extract from a series of bedside books.